Welcome back to the channel, the place where you want to be. You just didn't even know it yet. Right here, we're looking at a Freightliner 2018 DD15 engine GHG. Never mind the filter's off, but we got an issue right here. You want to hear it? All right, a view from the top. Crank it on the truck now. Man, did that sound like crap or what? It just kind of started it up, hesitated a little bit, and then just died off completely. So, what do you guys think it is? Poor fuel, plug fuel filters, pump, injectors. Man, this sucker could be anything, right? Bad wheel seal, leaking shock. I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me what the issue is, and how about I go out fixing this sucker.